I must say, I'm really impressed the way the course was designed for online students.
Proper balance of theoretical and practical knowledge.
All our classmates are feeling like we are a family and we are so close to each other.
We do have a type of teaching methods in which the students and the teachers are almost from the similar backgrounds.
People around you who is already working or related to the field means you get the contractors, you get the builders, you get the designers, you get the architects and whatnot.
Can be pursued by working people as well, as it is flexible and affordable mean.
We have over 15,000 alumni network across the nation as well as in different various departments of interior and architecture field.
They have actually prepared me for the industry.
They have kept highly experienced teachers. All the faculties were highly trained.
And our students are placed in firms which are very well known in the market.
I would highly recommend IVS if you want to learn new things and explore.
Yes, I would recommend IVS to my friends and family.